Welcome to Vaughan's Days Out, guys. We wasn't planning on doing a vlog today, but I found out there's a arts and craft market in Risca Park, so we'll pop up and have a look. Marley's on his bike. Yeah, so we got Lexi as well. Yeah, we thought we'd pop up and have a nose, see what's up there. So we're in Risca Park, guys. Quite a few stalls. As we said, we wasn't expecting to do any vlogging today, so something new. I don't know what to expect, so Marley's on his bike. So we'll have a look around now, guys. Marley's only just started pedaling his bike properly today. Normally does it with one leg. Well, it's the first time about it in a while. He's actually started riding his bike properly today. Hey boy. So we're gonna have a look now, guys, and see what stalls they got. Cool, aren't they?
I want these.
Go back and let. They're the monkeys.
Me and my monkey.
So yeah, how cool these are, guys. That's sick. That's cool. I love all stuff like this. Right, put in Lexi. Marley, don't touch. Airplanes here, Marley. What? Oh, I got sweeties on the next one as well.
Oh, sweet.
We'll have a look around first. Kids on everything. Oh, I got a pirate one there, a pirate bottle there, they're cool, aren't they?
Yeah.
What's are they? Cool.
I don't know.
£6. £6 with 10 then, they're good, aren't they?
I want one.
You want one, do you?
I want ice lolly.
That is a nice
Cool there, aren't they?
These ones are
Wait there a minute now, then. Candles, guys.
Daddy.
Yeah. Oh, what are you stuck today? We'll take your arm off. Alright then. I was walking, guys, gotta try and push a bike at the same time.
That's dog stuff.
Oh, dog food there.
Daddy.
Dog
Look.
treats.
Look at that.
Oh, Peter Rabbit. Oh, that's cool, isn't it? These statues. They're cool, aren't they, Marley?
This way.
Some cots, really. This way, boy. This way.
Molly.
Marley, this way.
Molly.
Oh, we got one, bro. Marley.
Molly.
just the wind hasn't.
Oh, here goes. Jewelry store.
Yeah, exactly, yeah.
Wooden things. Wooden balls and stuff.
The girls were like,
Hey, you two. 3D printing.
these 3D printed.
I like 3D prints, don't we?
Yeah.
Cool, aren't they?
Yeah. I like
There
the
they are. I
dragon.
like them, but the heads will be like, oh, it's pretty cool one, they? I think that's Freddy, anyway. I'll look now.
What?
Marley, can I have a buy? Is that Freddy, mate? Looks a bit like him, though. Cowboy one. Beetlejuice. They're awesome, aren't they? Kermit. I know, Chucky, that's Chucky, that is.
Where?
No, that's Chucky's head. Oh, look, I got Chucky ducks. Lexi. Chucky ducks for you as well.
Don't say that too fast.
Daddy, love, you love.
I love, right? Don't touch. Don't touch.
Look these, Dad.
That's cool, that's how you made them, that is.
Daddy, look these.
I know, they're cool, they are, aren't they?
I will not
What have we got? Got Stitch.
stick.
Some ducks, eh? Quack. I just found out this is going to be a monthly thing, so that's
Also,
good. What was it? Cakes. Oh, look at them. Brownies.
this cookie dough.
Brownies.
This cookie dough that makes me hungry.
You're always hungry. Brownies. Cool, aren't they? It's just going to be a monthly thing then, kids. So it's going to be a monthly thing now then. First Saturday of every month. Hey there, Marley. Hello, Lexi. The things with crystals on there as well. Must be a...
No park cat.
So Marley's desperate to go in the park.
Close to working again.
These are cool.
That's I want it.
You want them, do you? Who would? They look nice, don't they? I know they do. They look nice.
I want
Nice.
that.
You want it a little bit?
I want.
You want them ones, do you?
That's the sweets.
Ooh, cream eggs, Scotch brownie, they look nice.
I want
Go on, I can't be them, boy.
one. Buy a sweet sweet.
Sweetie, yeah.
Fanta. We roll up.
So we'll go a bit further up then. Don't touch. Hey, hands. Go.
Let's go now.
You look with your eyes, don't you, boy? Oh, your hands, Nanda, see.
I want some dolphins.
You want glasses? Cool, aren't they? Well, Easter bits up. Cool, aren't they?
And look at my stitch in it.
What's that, boy?
Need some more dog stuff.
Some more dog stuff, is it?
Yep.
That's cool, isn't it?
Yep.
I reckon it's going to be one of them cups with all the sweets in. They're cool,
I'm starving.
aren't they?
And my throat really
I'll
hurts.
get a brownie. They look so nice.
No. You want.
Oh, perhaps.
Hiya, mate.
Hiya, mate.
Marley, swing out. It's Marley's swing camera.
My camera, Dad. My camera.
Come on then, look, right. Ready? Are you ready? Are you, mate? Whee! Whee! Marley's doing his out.
Oh.
Have fun.
Yeah.
There you go, guys. It's Marley's on-ride POV of the swing. Well, that's it, guys, for the arts and crafts market. Like I say, it's only a short vlog. We didn't know it was actually happening, but it's going to be a monthly thing now, so go just go for this one. I'm just heading home now, guys. Like, comment,
Watch this out on
subscribe.
YouTube.
Watch this out on YouTube.